having dinner. Busy pa. Busy pa. Busy checking the menu. Busy. Order nito. Paano mo sasabihin kay ordo man yan? Di man tayo marunong mag-ordo. Magbasa ng ordo. Dito lang kami sa labas kasi hindi pa naman masyado malamig.
Special rice.
Special rice? You check now if that is Chinese rice.
No, from Chinese rice is this one here.
You have Chinese rice?
This one, the side is a Pakistan side. Sweet lassi.
You want lassi?
Hey,
Oh.
it's not sama now. Margaret. You want Margarita?
No.
No.
I want water now.
Pineapple? Lemon?
Because I did not drink water.
Date enough, ma'am?
Yeah, it's enough.
Okay, 3.
Thank you.
Enough na yan kasi 5,000 na yan eh.
Coffee ziyada.
5,000 na yan. Oh. Ganda sana dun sa taas pero mas okay na din dito. Kami pala ang tao ditong dalawa. Waiting kami sa aming in-order. Yan. Yan. Fish. Oy.
I mean, you can order from like this one. And then try this one.
See? You can finish all that.
Ay, sasal. Tonggia bas buwan ako yung nakakura. Nakakudwan.
Fish. I need this. Fried rice. It's like I taste it's like a salty.
Yeah. Too much is empty.
Malamig kaya oh. Enjoy the fish. Finish the food. Can I have the salad? You want lemon for the fish? Lemon for the fish? Kurab ka.
Just the cucumber. Next time we have to try the Pakistan food.
Nagwarda kami dun sa likod.
The spice one.
This one. Here?
No?
Here also? Yes, please. Last time we ate here, that time we came from, that is a New Year. Me, Ibon, and Pangga.
You eat here?
They're inside.
Oh,
That is the Pakistani food na. They bring the, you know, the frying pan.
oh, the fries.
The karay. They serve also the frying pan.
Oh, with the frying pan because don't
Yeah.
go down. When? In New
Not
Year?
cold. No, that is long time ago na. 3 years. I think
Oh,
last year, New Year, I'm not here. This year, last 2 years ago.
and after that is
New Year na.
Huh?
I mean, Karachi na.
Sorry?
Last year.
Last year?
Yeah.
Yeah, well.
Karachi.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, ingay na. Ingay na.
How many minutes? They put 5 minutes. Oh,
3. Let me get 5. Kasi half more na.
Hmm?
Bye-bye na po. Bye-bye. Bye.